Welcome to Wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths Tutor. Our question is, AM is a sequence of integers such that A1 equals to 1 and AM plus n equals to AM plus AN plus MN for all positive integers M and N. What is the value of A15? Now, by setting n equals to 1 in the given recursive equation, we obtain AM plus 1 is AM plus A1 plus M for all positive integers M. So, AM plus 1 minus AMB AM plus 1 minus AM is M plus 1, and this is for each M equals to 1, 2, 3 and so on. Hence, A15 minus A14 be 15, like that A14 minus A13 be 14 and so on. A2 minus A1 is 2. Now summing these equalities, we get A15 minus A1 is A15 minus A14 plus A14 minus A13 plus and so on. A2 minus A1. Substituting values here, we get 15 plus 14 plus and so on plus 2. So, A15 will be 15 plus 14 plus and so on plus 2. That A1 will add here. So, it will be 1 as A1 equals to 1. So, it is 15 into 15 plus 1 divided by 2. So, it is 240 divided by 2, which gives 120. Hence, value of A15 is 120. So, from given options, option C is 120. So, our correct option is option C.